So what we got here is Stellar Navigator. One thing that I've always loved in just the science fiction space is just to be able to tell stories in a safe environment, and part of that is building out universes or finding a way to share different cultures and stuff throughout it. So that's difficult as a creator sometimes when you're just looking at a blank Word document or a piece of paper. So I wanted to build something that helped world builders and game masters alike to have a tool that allows them to just inject their ideas, their thoughts, and build out these vast solar systems and galaxies of their own creation, and then share it with their table, with their friends, with other creators, and do it in a very visual way, in an interactive way. So that's what Stellar Navigator is in a nutshell. You've got lots of opportunity to create things that look visually appealing, fits that theme and feel of science fiction, and gives you the freedom to add your own exciting lore, the things that make your universe unique.
How big's your team?
Me.
Just you? And,
Yeah.
And what are you building it in?
I am building it in Unity.